Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about toys for guide dogs. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about toys for guide dogs is www.ebay.com. Specifically the page titled Dog Toys eBay, Electronics, Cars, Fashion, Collectibles. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site dogs.thefuntimesguide.com, especially the page dog recipes that work great in Kong toys. The Fun Times. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 0.r.msn.com. The web page guiding eyes for blind GUI dinghies.org. This is the link.